Try not to abuse your power. I know we didn't choose to change. You might not wanna lose your power, but having it so strange. She said you were a hero, you played the part, but you ruined her in a year. Don't act like it was hard, and you swore you didn't know. No wonder why you didn't ask. She was sleeping in your clothes, but now she's gotta get to class. How dare you? And how could you? Will you only feel bad when they find out? If you could take it all back, would you? Try not to abuse your power. I know we didn't choose to change. You might not wanna lose your power, but having it so strange. I thought that I was special. You made me feel like it was my fault. You were the devil, lost your appeal. Does it keep you in control, for you to keep her in a cage? And you swear you didn't know. You said you thought she was your age. How dare you? And how could you? Will you only feel bad if it turns out that they kill your contract? Would you try not to abuse your power? I know we didn't choose to change. You might not wanna lose your power, but power isn't pain. Try not to abuse your power. I know we didn't choose to change. You might not want